Today I'm going to show you how to pursue a career in becoming a police officer using the website policehow.com. On the homepage you have four main tabs: homepage, police requirements, job description, and salary and benefits. And then if you scroll down on the homepage, you'll find a list of 10 steps to become a police officer, and within the list are different links and they take you to different pages and tell you what to do. And then if you scroll back up to the top and click on the first tab, police requirements, it will take you to a whole new page, and you scroll down and it gives you a general police officer requirements, and you must complete these before you sign up for the academy. And if you scroll down a little bit farther, there's factors that will stop you from becoming a police officer if you violated any of these on the list. And if you go back up to the top and click on job description, it'll take you to a different page. And this page is, if you're maybe not certain you want to be a police officer, it gives you the job description, and it gives you a list of all their duties I have to do for state and regional. And then the last tab is salary and benefits. This page pretty much just tells you what they get paid and how, if you're a cop in a bigger city like Los Angeles or New York City, you're going to get paid a lot more than a cop in a smaller city like Lancaster. And if you're worried about the oral interview you get, if you click on this right here, it'll tell you how to prepare for it. And then if you scroll down a little bit farther, it'll tell you how to prepare for it and tips for doing so. And then the very bottom, it gives you the questions that they're going to ask you, and you can prepare for it and answer these questions on your own. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.